Collision Core has been a great change and an eye-opener. For someone myself, I have a degree in mechanical engineering, so I get really into the variables, and I found it very fascinating how much is going on behind the scenes.
It blows everything else out of the water.
Learning the app couldn't have been more simple.
Keeps you motivated to move forward, a sense of urgency.
Taking stress off of the general environment, making the culture better.
User-friendly.
They grab a car, they can log in and out, and at any given time, Charlie, the manager, can look and see who's on what. We can see it at the meetings. Everyone has access to it. It's pretty phenomenal.
Each tech has to be logged onto that job. We have to be honest about our times, and we have to close out. So that way, they can look at the numbers, and they're seeing real numbers in real time. Not to mention that board learns. It learns as it goes. So if we try to fake anything about the cycle, then we're not doing ourselves any justice at all.
I feel very comfortable bringing someone in and explaining every step of the process because my confidence is so high that the whole team is keying in and doing the job to the best of their ability and to the best of an industry standard ability.
Frees me up to do any number of other tasks that fall in my lap.
I feel I can focus a lot more on what I'm trying to get done in the office. My ability to do what my job is, that looking over files, final billing, looking at the big picture gross profit numbers, I'm getting that back, which is great.
So if we're going to move to the next level, this is going to be the tool to get us there, and it matters. This tool will make any shop or any manager look like an all-star.
Sherwin being, in my eyes, the forefront of this has really been advantageous, and I'm thankful that we had the opportunity to be one of the first in the country to try it out.